Hey guys, so today I just want to do a quick lesson over theme. You should have already read chapters 26 through 28 in Touching Spirit Bear, which means you finished the novel. Great. The Once you finish the novel, you can actually take the AR test on it. However, you still have to send me your score. It will go in as a grade for literature, but you can choose to use that AR test as a fiction test to put on your AR test log if you want to. You do not have to, but you may try that, or you may add that onto your log if you feel that you want to, based on the grade. Again, you must send me the picture of your score, and it will be entered into literature for a grade, not for AR at this point, but you can put it on AR if you want for the next test, which would be November 16th. After you read your chapters and take your test, you're then going to work on this theme worksheet that you can see right here. Okay, so theme is kind of an overall lesson that can be learned or taken away from the book. It says, now that you have finished the novel, you can determine how the different parts of it work together to create the theme. Theme in literature is the message the author is trying to send through the novel. The theme in a work of fiction is very rarely stated outright for the reader. Instead, the reader has to look at the different puzzle pieces that make up the book and infer the theme. Many times, a novel, especially a longer work, may have several different themes. It is certainly possible for many different people to read the same novel and each of them to find a different theme in that book. When you are trying to infer the theme of a novel, you should look at the different parts of the novel. Everything can give you clues to the themes in the book. Even the title of a piece of literature can guide you to one of the themes of the book. In order to begin to identify the themes in Touching Spirit Bear, fill out the graphic organizer below. After you've filled out in the information, make an inference about what you believe to be the theme of this novel. So, right here, you're going to write your title, okay, then your main characters. You have one main character, but you do have some main supporting characters, so make sure you add those as well. The resolution to the central. Okay, that means the central conflict. So how was the major conflict solved? And then the central conflict, tell me what that conflict was. Then you're going to go through and answer these questions that follow. Okay, questions 1 through 4 are based off of your chart that you fill out right here. Make sure you are restating part of the question in your answer. Okay, do not start with a pronoun. You will have to use your book to support some of your answers. For instance, find a quote, and find a quote. So you will have to do that. Then I want you to go to the next section. It says, look at the following themes. Find evidence from the text to support each of the themes listed. Be sure you provide page numbers for the quotes that you provide. So the theme, it is never too late to start over and fix your mistakes. Then they have evidence to support that. It wants you then to continue to find a theme, just like they did there, and then, or it gives you the theme, okay? There's your themes, and then find evidence to support those themes. In this bottom part, you're doing the exact opposite. It gives you the evidence, and then it wants you to say what the theme is. Again, remember, the theme is something that is a lesson that is learned, okay? A message that is portrayed throughout the novel by the author. And again, Touching Spirit Bear has multiple themes throughout, so it should give you a lot of options.